everyone, I'm Shalaka Pawar and you are watching The True Gourmand. In today's episode, I'm back with another product review. Well, a few days back, I ordered this huge box of healthy snacks from Snackable, and I also put it up on Instagram and asked you which of these snacks do you want me to review. Well, what Snackable does is basically they sell these healthy snacks which you can replace for that usual evening unhealthy snack that we have. Of course, I'm not a nutrition expert, so I can't tell you whether these are right for your calorie intake or whether these are genuinely healthy and whether the composition is great. So if you want to know these details, please reach out to a nutritional expert. But what I'm going to review today is when it comes to the taste test, which is obviously the most important. Come on. Can this stand the test against my big bag of potato chips? Well, if these taste healthy, I have no problem eating any healthy snacks. So let's get started and see what's inside the Snackable box. So this is how the box got delivered to me. It was raining, so the box is a little bit in bad condition, but not to worry because when I opened the box, all my snacks are actually pretty well packed in such kind of boxes. And look, I have these baked pizza sticks with jalapeno dip. We have barbecue beetroot chips. We have nacho cheese jowar puffs. We have Manchurian pop chips. There is a lot in here. I've ordered a lot of snacks, and this is how these packets look like. Now let's start the taste test. Now, based on your votes, I've selected the top 3 snacks that you guys wanted me to review. Firstly, everyone said please review anything with cheese because cheese is best. So a lot of cheese options that I got. So I have selected these nacho cheese jowar puffs that I want to try because everyone loves cheese. Apart from that, this sounds pretty fancy, which is baked pizza sticks with jalapeno dip. They have a dip inside, if you can see. And then there are these dark chocolate ragi cookies, just to understand if this can also satisfy our sweet cravings. So I'm going to start with the jowar puff now. This is how the packet looks like. You can completely tear it off from here, and once you tear it off, there is also a ziplock. So that means you can actually save these snacks for a longer time. Oh, that was pretty quick and pretty good. Just gonna open the ziplock. Okay, and they smell good. Oh wow, these are really nice. So firstly, these are absolutely crunchy, so these are really fresh and nice. I think I'll give full marks to the packaging because how fresh are these? Secondly, I can totally exchange this for the regular cheese balls that you get in the market. I am a fan of those and they taste amazing. These taste exactly like that. I don't even feel like it's made of jowar. Is it really made of jowar? Because it's too good. It's hard for me to believe it's jowar. It's amazing. This is great. I think I think this is already my favorite, but let's try the others too. I want to give equal chance to everyone. Jalapeno dip, baked pizza sticks with jalapeno dip. Can't wait. Alright, these are smelling heavenly. This is how they look like. Oh my god, the smell is so good. And so is the jalapeno dip smell. This stick is more of a snappy stick as opposed to a crispy stick. I personally like crispy things more, and the taste is good, but I think it's also tasting really well because of the dip. If the dip wasn't there, this was okay. I mean, this didn't blow my mind as the jowar puffs did, but this is also pretty good. It smells very herby, so you'll always feel like eating this, right? So great work here. Now time for our sweet craving dark chocolate ragi cookies. I'm a dark chocolate fan, by the way, so I had to order this. Again, there's another layer of packaging here. These are individually wrapped in plastic. It's like a cling wrap that they've wrapped it in, which is pretty good, So because they're individually wrapped, you can basically just keep them outside and you can eat one at a time. So okay, these are how the cookies look like, half and half. I'm gonna obviously take a bite right here so that I can taste both. Are pretty good. These are actually quite sweet as well. So I'm not sure if this is the most healthiest treat because how is it so sweet? If I have to just read out the ingredients here, it's ragi flour, refined flour, butter, castor sugar, vanilla extract and dark chocolate. Guys, I just read the ingredients. This has caster sugar. So anything that's sugary, I don't think should be healthy as per my understanding. And this does not taste like any healthy cookie. It tastes like a regular good cookie. Then if I have to eat a cookie, why would I eat a ragi cookie? I would rather go and eat my regular chocolate chip cookie because I'm anyway gonna have sugar. But yes, I think the one good thing is that this is not regular flour. This is replaced with ragi flour, so one level healthier. And it tastes really good. You can totally go with it. But I'm not sure if this is something that will help me in my diet when I'm going to cut down on sugar. But otherwise, I think all the three products that I tried were brilliant, and I will have absolutely no issue replacing them with my regular unhealthy stuff that I eat. Of course, cookie I might think twice, but the Jowar puffs was great and the pizza sticks were amazing too. Every packet has a price just on the backside. Some are priced at 95, some are priced at 100. These ragi cookies are actually priced at 200 rupees. So these are expensive than the usual cookies that you get. I mean, come on, our cookies range from everything to a Good Day cookie to Milano to these. So 200 rupees is quite a lot. But Jowar puffs are just 95 rupees, and for something so healthy and so tasty, I don't mind spending that 95 rupees. I hope this review was of value to you. Please let me know if you have any questions related to Snackable. I would love to answer this. Do comment below on whatever you think about this review and whether you would ever replace your unhealthy snacks with these healthier options. I will see you guys in the next episode of True Gourmand. Till then, bye bye.